Hi everyone, this week I'm going to be showing you another one of my smoothie recipes. I call this the Berry Bliss. It's really fruity and a great way to get your morning started. These are the ingredients you will need. And you will also need a blender. First, you will chop half of a banana. Next, you'll cut about a half cup of strawberries. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the top with the stem off and then cutting them in half. You will also want to measure about a half cup of blueberries. Here I am just adding them to the blender. Next, you'll want to add and measure 1 cup of almond milk. You can use any milk of your choosing, I just prefer almond milk. Next, you'll want to add ice cubes. Here I added 5, but add however many you think you need. Next, blend on high until you achieve the consistency you would like. So here I am adding more ice cubes just because it wasn't as thick as I wanted, so I added 3 more. Now pour your smoothie into a cup. So that was all. It was really easy and I hope you enjoy. Bye guys.